Forgotten username recovery failed on Prospa Fix. If your Prospa username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume Prospa still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Prospa now relies on your registered email or phone number as a primary login method. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Prospa app or visit the website. Enter your registered email or phone number instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for messages from Prospa like loan confirmations, payment notifications or account statements. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email or phone. Check your spam or junk folder if it does appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, use that same method to log in. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Prospa support. Provide your full name, registered email or phone number and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users think their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Prospa removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email or linked login, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Prospa loans and business finances in minutes.